That time, feel ko, ang pogi ko na eh. Pangit.
Looking at another angle,
The new side. Another day, another battle here at the Smart Araneta Coliseum.
as the Bulldogs take on the Golden Spikers on a high-stakes semis matchup.
The NU men's volleyball team is known for their elite skills, chemistry, and a whole lot of angas on and off the court.
But let's see if that angas holds up when we ask for an autograph on a nostalgic post-game prank.
Hoy, huwag ka! Ano to? Nag-cellphone sa cellphone ng tropa ko. That time, feel ko, ang pogi ko na eh. Pangit. Ano, hindi ko ito siya. Tambay kasi hindi ko ito siya dati.
Ayan na. Autograph lang. Oo, nito, grade 6.
Kaya tumati ito ah.
In Egypt. Yeah.
No, ano to? Elementary yata ko nito.
Sana'y pakinggan mo ang awiting kong ito na
Sobrang swerte namin kasi andyan kayo lagi. And sana naman sa finals, nanood pa rin kayo na walang ambay sa tropa.
I will invite all the any community to support us in our next game, the final. We really need you to be there kahit sa bahay o sa arena.
Sana po maasahan po namin yung supportan nyo sa finals. Sana po FU po kalaban namin. Lahat po ng tulong, kailangan po namin.
Ayun, syempre, thank you sa buong NU community and please support us on our upcoming finals, Game 1 and Game 2.
Siyempre, thank you so much sa mga NU supporters, NU community. Maraming salamat sa suporta nyo. Nasa finals, tuloy-tuloy nyo kami suportahan kasi kailangan namin kayo para manalo tayo. This season sa finals, support nyo pa rin kami. Lalaban kami ng kamatayan para sa Golden Blue.
Make sure to keep supporting the Bulldogs as they fight it out for a historic 6-peat this season.
Stay tuned for more, keep that NU pride loud, and we'll see you at the next game. I am Roger Aceveda
And I am Carl Anreta
of TNTV, bringing you the new side.